To connect Shopify to Zoho, you will first need a third-party integration tool, as there is no direct, built-in connector between the two platforms. The most common and reliable method is using Zapier or a specialized middleware like Zoho Flow. I will walk you through the setup using Zoho Flow, since it is part of the Zoho ecosystem and often provides the deepest data mapping capabilities for Zoho CRM. Start by logging into your Zoho Flow account and creating a new flow. Name your flow something descriptive like Shopify to Zoho CRM Sync, and set the trigger application to Shopify. You will need to connect your Shopify store, which requires your unique Shopify store URL. Zoho Flow will then redirect you to a Shopify authorization page where you must install the Zoho Flow connector app to grant permission. The trigger event you will select is typically New Order or New Paid Order, depending on whether you want to capture all transactions or only completed payments. Once your Shopify connection is authenticated and tested, you will add an action step. Choose Zoho CRM as the app. You must now connect your Zoho CRM account by signing in if you are not already authenticated. The action will usually be Create Lead or Create Contact, but for accurate sales tracking, I recommend creating a new sales order or a custom module record. The crucial part is the data mapping interface, where you drag and drop fields from the Shopify trigger payload into the corresponding fields in Zoho CRM. You will map the customer's first name, last name, and email address from Shopify to the contact or account fields in Zoho CRM. For the sales order, map the line items, product SKUs, quantity, and total price. If your Zoho CRM has custom fields for order source or shipping address, you can map those here as well. After mapping, click Save and turn on your flow. To test it, place a test order on your website or use the Test Trigger button in Zoho Flow. If a new record appears in your Zoho CRM with the correct details, your integration is successfully active and will now run automatically when orders come in.